Boost your reading skills, mastering the art of inferencing. Hello learners! In today's video, we will be focusing on a crucial reading strategy known as inferencing. This strategy will significantly help you understand and interact with texts, enhancing your reading comprehension. So buckle up and let's master the art of inferencing. Inferencing, in the simplest terms, is the ability to understand information that's not directly stated in the text. It's like reading between the lines. By using clues given in the text, along with our own knowledge and experience, we draw conclusions, make predictions, and form interpretations about the text. For instance, if you read a sentence, "Sarah grabbed her umbrella and put on a raincoat before leaving the house," you can infer that it's probably raining outside, even though it's not explicitly stated. There are two types of inferences primarily: textual inferences and knowledge-based inferences. Textual inferences are based solely on the information provided in the text. These don't require any additional outside knowledge. Knowledge-based inferences, on the other hand, require some personal experience or knowledge outside of the text to understand the meaning. To make an inference, follow these steps. 1. Identify relevant details. Look for details in the text that seem significant. 2. Ask questions. Ask yourself what these details might mean. 3. Use your own experience. Apply your own experiences and knowledge to the details. 4. Draw a conclusion. Use the details, your questions, and your experiences to infer meaning. Practicing inferencing is crucial. Start with simple texts or pictures, like comics, which often require you to infer what's happening or what a character is thinking or feeling. Gradually, move on to more complex texts. Remember, inferencing is a skill that takes time to develop. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't come naturally at first. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself understanding texts more deeply and enjoyably. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding and mastering the art of inferencing. Happy reading, learners!